Okay, in this video we're going to look at the answers for quiz 4. So I'm just going to scroll through here the questions for the fill in the blank. For the fill in the blank, everybody got some random questions, and so what I'll do for the second exam is take these types of questions and the quiz 5 questions. Alright, so these types of quiz questions, it'll be similar types of questions for some of these on the exam. You can pause your screen here. What I have here is the question and then the answer. So these are just the less than or equal to, testing equality, greater than or equal to, and not equal to, Boolean operations, and, or, and not. Not much to say about those. For these, 5 is a number, 3.4 is a number. True and false are both Boolean values. Here we have true in quotes. So on your quiz, let's see, it would have printed like this one here, would have printed like this. Okay, so that is not a Boolean value, it is a string. It's the string true. And it's the same kind of thing for this 3.4. If it's in quotes, it's a string, it's not a number. If this one here, say, was not in quotes in JavaScript, what would it think if it saw this? It would look for a variable or a function name with that value, or with that name. Okay, punctuation items, a few people missed some of these. For order of operations in JavaScript, you use parenthesis. Beginning and ending a function are with the curly braces. Beginning and ending of a loop or an if statement also with curly braces. Comments are specified either with /* and *s, // or with //. That's a one-line comment. If you just put /* or */, that would have been wrong because you need both, and whatever's in the middle will be quotes. Separating things in parameters to a function or in an array, commas typically used for separating things in lists. End of statement line is semicolon. Escape character is /n. It's printed there so that when I print this out, it would print like this. So /n is the correct answer there. And the correct answer for a string constant, either you do it with single quotes or with double quotes. Either one of those would have been correct for that one. The keywords, so for, you can pause there to see my short explanation. Some people said something that was too vague. So the var keyword is for declaring a variable, returns a value from a function and stops the function. Function is for defining a new function. And people talked about a function being a block of code that can be used multiple times. That's good. And then there's the other ones. Okay, so you can expect similar questions again for quiz 5 that's coming up. For quiz 5 you can expect questions on the new stuff we've done since quiz 4, which is mostly dealing with strings and numbers. So you can expect expressions that use these items and then asking you what is the value, what does it evaluate to. And so you want to make sure that you can use all of these so you can answer questions about them. So something you could do also for practice would be to take your quiz 4 so I'll show you in my account. So there's your quiz 4. You have the original problem again. So you could take your original file and try it again. I'm not going to look at it again. But you could go ahead and go through it again, especially people think got a lot of them wrong, and then you can check the video to see whether you were right. For the actual programs, I'm not going to comment on that. You should be able to create these and make sure that they work. Alright, that's it for quiz 4.